Have you all ever heard things like coding, Java, Python, especially hear all this clicking sound? And then when you see all these things, you think like, what's happening? So all this is super normal because my first time when I saw someone coding, I was like, what is this guy doing? I have like no idea. So all these experiences are quite normal. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you briefly about what coding means. For example, when we are talking as a human to another human, we talk in different kind of languages like English, French, or German. But then when we are talking to computers, there's also different type of languages called the coding languages, which is JavaScript, Ruby, Python. There's many out there, but these are some such examples. So when we talk in such languages, like imagine Python language, what happens is the computer tends to understand what we are talking and it does the task. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you all what is Python basics, and then from subsequent lessons we can learn further and further. Code text editors out there like Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, or even many online ones. You all can choose whatever you all want, but for myself I'll be using the Visual Studio Code. Now to start off, we have to click this plus sign to create a new file, and we'll name it as Python basics, and make sure that you all have the .py. This is to say that it's a Python file. So once you press enter, the file is created, and this is the place where you all do all the coding stuff. So in today's lesson, what we are going to learn is mainly about print statements. What does print statement means is whenever y'all are talking to the system, y'all want the system to display, or you can even say as show the output, or you can even say like the word means print. So let me give you an example. So now you type the word print. So if you want the thing to complete, you can just press tab, or you can even type it by yourself. So it's up to you all, because in code text editors like that, they sometimes do help us to fill up the words if you all don't remember the words. So press tab, you'll be done. So now if you type hello world, what's going to happen is this hello world will be displayed in the system. So now you're telling the system that kindly print for me the word hello world in the system. So what you do is just press this run button, pull up the screen, you can see that they print for us the word hello world. So next you can try other words like today's lesson is about the basics. So there's a red line that is showing here. You all might be wondering what is this. Basically there's a mistake that's happening. So if you all can identify what's wrong is there's an open inverted commas here, but there's not open inverted commas here. So what you have to do is just close it. So the syntax for this is whenever you are opening something here, you have to close it here also. So now we do a run, and then you can see the next what there is, the next sentence that is being printed here. Now we have learned what print statement means. So in short, print statements is basically asking the system to display or show the output, or as the word says, asking them to print whatever we say to them.